Oh, she looks so pretty. Beautiful lace in here. It actually looks finer when you wear it.
I'm very sure people will be confused. Now I'm clearing your confusion.
Girl, keep on loving me, oh baby. I make you my number one. You are the only girl who give me joy. The only girl who give me all I want. You are the only girl who give me joy.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today my name is Osereme, and if you're here for the first time, thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for always coming back. Thank you for all the support on this channel. Thank you for loving Style by Reme. Thank you for 100,000 subscribers. I know I should have come earlier. I have been busy with a lot of stuff, so you guys know what is going on with me right now. So thank you so much for all the support. 100,000 subscribers is no joke. I am just here to say thank you, thank you, thank you. I know I've said thank you so many times, but this is me officially showing my face, saying thank you so much. Thank you for all the support. Thank you so much. I do not take it for granted. Thank you so much. So right now, I just finished making a tutorial video that will definitely be up before this vlog that I'm trying to make right now. I don't even know how this vlog is going, but I just started it. Let's hope it goes well. So I just finished making this. I actually started the vlog when I was doing the lesson and just shared with you guys how the final look of the dress looks like. So I'm going to try it on and I will share with you guys how it looks. So guys, finally I'm done with this tutorial. This is what it's looking like right now. It's looking really nice. I'm loving this neckline. I just like the way it just came down here. The particular one that they used in the top I was trying to follow, I wanted to try and get something looking like that in the market, and trust me, it was just too expensive, so I had to go for something like this, and it actually still came out nice. This is the front, and then when you turn it over to the back, we have this beautiful lace in here. It actually looks finer when you wear it and then the lace is showing at the back. It looks really fine when you wear it at the back. So definitely I'm happy with the way I did this these loops. This particular one, normally I would cut my loops into pieces and then start using them to sew one after, like start sewing them one after the other. But this particular one, I watched a YouTube video here and I saw how the person did it, and I think that was for the person did it for a Victorian corset, and I really liked how the person did it. So I think the person was a Chinese, something like that, but it really looks nice and I just like how it came out. So right now it looks really nice, so I'm really loving this. I cannot wait to try it on for you guys to see.
Children used to run and play. Look at all the mess we made. Guess I never know where it went wrong. Sometimes I feel like all that's sad, cause viral then people forget. In this crazy world
As you can see, like I'm trying as much as possible to be far away from the camera, so you guys can see like everything, like to at least to my knee level. It looks like a gown. I'm very sure people will be confused. Now I'm clearing your confusion. It is not a gown, it's a top and a skirt, and I'm absolutely loving how it looks. Turn it to the back, it looks really nice as well. Yeah, so this is it. This is just it.
Hi guys, so I just got back home from my LGI. I know in my last vlog on my other channel I shared with you guys that I was rejected as my PPA, so I've been looking for another place where I can just like place myself. So I finally got an organization that was willing to like accept me, so I've gone to submit this new place to the LGI today, although they've not changed it, so I still don't go to work yet. So I'm hoping that they change it soon. While I was there, I met 2 subscribers. I know when I was in camp, I actually met a couple of subscribers who came to me and like, Remy, I subscribe to your channel. But these girls today I met at the LGI, they were just super nice. Honestly, I was just there shining my teeth. They were so nice. They were just so nice. And you guys are usually very nice when you meet me outside, and I'm just super happy whenever I meet you guys. So today was just like, after all the stress that was happening at that place today, but meeting those girls just scatter everything, all the stress just went. I was just super happy. So I just got back home today. There's still time. It's past 1. It's past 1 right now, and I'm thinking if I will still be able to do a tutorial today. Honestly, I'm very tired. I'm honestly very tired, but I'm thinking there's like supposed to be a tutorial going up on my channel today with the way I normally post, but obviously there's nothing going up right now. There's obviously nothing to post. I don't have any video. I even wish I started this vlog earlier. Probably I have something to post here today. There's nothing right now. Hopefully if I'm able to make a video today, hopefully I have something for tomorrow. But anyways, I'm super hungry. Let me just go and eat. Hi guys, so right now I'm about to start a pattern drafting tutorial. I already have corset patterns on the channel already, I know, but I've had some people being confused about the circle being too small, like too big for their particular bust measurements, and then coming out and them not having enough pattern paper to work with in the middle. People that have sent this message to totally understand what I'm trying to explain. So I was thinking of how we can draft a corset using a bustier pattern. So if you know anything, if there's anything I want you guys to know, is that corset and bustier go hand in hand. If you understand how to draft a bustier pattern, you will definitely be able to sew a corset. So I'm trying to see if there's a way we can use bustier patterns to make corset instead of using the circle all the time. That doesn't work for every single person, especially people who are very busty. So that's what I'm trying to work on right now. I'm just doing demo practice drafting pattern. I'm trying to draft this particular pattern to see how it will come out. So let's go ahead and start doing it. At the end of the day, I hope it comes out fine. I'll keep trying it out until I'm sure that it works before I share it to you guys as a video. I'm here to disturb my sister again today. Hi sister, how are you doing? How's work today? Say hi to your people.
Hi.
You're so not in the mood, guys. She's extremely busy. Look at all the work she has on her hand. All of this, and she's very busy. So let me just be going.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't.
Beautiful girl. Guys, my sister just finished making this. Turn around, let's see. Can you see this hole at the back, and then look at the front? I actually like it a lot. So she used, like, there's this whole thing at the back, so she's not going to be wearing this as a bra. So turn the front. So she did like a princess that bustier, has like the whole bustier thing, so that you don't have to bother with wearing bra. It's absolutely nice. So I like it. And you hold it here. Let me see it. Just there. Turn the front again. It's fine. It's really, really nice. This is so nice.
It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out. No, I can't keep score when I lose my breath. Boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh.
So guys, I just finished drafting the pattern that I wanted to draft. Hopefully I'll be able to edit that tomorrow or next and have it posted on the channel. So thank you so much for watching this vlog today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel still, I wonder what you're waiting for. Please hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye.